Student, now we are going to solve that. Exercise 3.1, question number 9. The first question, 9 Roman 1. As you can see in the video, if m1 equal to this, m2 this, and m3 this, three different value has three different variables m1, m2, m3 having three different value. Then we have to show that this equal to root over x, y, z. So let's have a look, student, how to solve this one. 9 Roman 1. Student, now the solution of 9 Roman 1 exercise 3.1 class 9 advancements. So the solution is like this. As you can see in the video, 9 Roman 1, the given part will be here. The given part will be here, that m1 equal to log a square is the base and x. Then m2 will be here, that log b square is the base and y. Then m3 will be here, that log c square is the base, then here z. Now look after that, student. First we'll take that one, m1. Now m1 equal to log a square is the base and x. So students, if I take x equal to a square, then m1 whole to the power m1. By using the formula, students, maybe you remember that since n equal to a to the power m, so which means m equal to log base a n. Just match with this one, n equal to a to the power m, n equal to a to the power m. So m equal to log base a n, m equal to log base a n. Now we'll go for the multiply here in the power. So x equal to a to the power 2m1 after multiplying. This is our equation number 1. Similarly, students, we'll take the m2 now. m2 equal to log base b square into y. So here also, students, y equal to, we can write down that b square equal to m2 using the same formula. I am not writing the formula here again, using the same formula. So here y equal to b to the power 2 m2, and this is our look, and this is our equation number 2. By using the same formula I have done this. Now similarly m3, now using the same formula. Now look here, m3 equal to log c square is the base z. Then here we can write down that z equal to c square whole to the power m3. Now just multiplying this one, z equal to c to the power 2 m3. This is our equation number 3. Here also using the same formula which I have used in equation number 1, the same formula also. Now look after that. Now 1 into 2 into 3. So what will happen if I go for the multiplication here? X into y into z. Then x is a to the power 2 m1 into, this is b to the power 2 m2, and c to the power 2 m3. Now student, after that, student, here if I take 2 common from here, then x y z will be here, and a to the power m1 into b to the power m2 into c to the power m3, and a whole square. Now look, I will just taking the root over in both the side. Then what will happen if I take root over on both side? X y z will be here, and there is a to the power m1 into b to the power m2 into c to the power m3 whole square will be here. there is already square. Now I am just taking square root in both the sides, so square and root cancel. So here answer will be that root over x y z and square root cancel, then a to the power m1 into b to the power m2 into c to the power m3. This is the proof. So last line we write down here, hence proved.